the mass is going on. Ụka na-aga n'ihu mgbe gbapụtasị ka ntụnyere na azụ maka ihe nnụrụ. Hello, this is Amalinze JJ Azi. I'm combining Amalinze Igbo Educational, which is Igbo program, with a Sabata Review, which is Igbo English program. The bani abu Amalinze JJ Azi. And me mekota ihe basara uka Igbo. Tata bu New Year, mbosi nke mbụ n'afọ 2023. This is the 1st of January 2023. We are having the Igbo New Year mass celebration, which is a way where we celebrate our New Year here in Atlanta, Georgia. Yes, ebe a etu aka esi agba emereme New Year nke anyị.
Udo dịrị mmadụ ndị ihe ha na-asọ Chukwu. Ekele n'elu kasị elu. Udo dịrị mmadụ ndị ihe ha na-asọ Chukwu. Udo dịrị mmadụ ndị ihe ha na-asọ Chukwu. Amen, amen, amen. Amen, amen, amen.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Amalinze JJ Azi. I am reporting for Sabata Reviews. I have this penchant for music. Like I showed you the other time, it was the music I got from on my tour Nigeria when I went to St. John of the Cross, Marabania, Abuja. I had some thunderous drum. Now here, first of all, this is the 1st of January 2023. I met a young lady. She's in the choir, and I didn't know she was going to handle the drum very well. She handled it so fantastically. She's Evelyn. Let's speak to her. Evelyn, how are you doing?
I'm good.
So I didn't know you could play drums. Where did you learn how to play drums?
Actually, as you have known, my name is Evelyn, originally from Nigeria, Igbo State precisely. I'm an Ikedu from Ikedu, Ozawa. Yes, no one taught me how to play the drum. Actually, it's a gift from God because I was a chorister. I learned it from my mom because my mom is a choir director, and I picked up from there.
Okay, and why did you choose drumming?
Like I did said earlier on, it's a gift. I just got to love it, and then I go for it.
Wow. This is conga. How long have you been playing drums?
I've been playing drums, if I can remember, like 10 years ago.
Is that right?
Yeah, right from my 10 years.
Okay, now the problem is that people that play drums, they have problem with the shoulder because it's hurting, and then with the palm, because now you don't play with a stick. This is a conga, you play with your palm. How do you, does it not hurt you?
Yeah, actually it does hurt sometimes, but when you have passion in what you are doing, you don't consider those things as an obstacle.
Wow. You're going to go far with this because I'm going to be presenting you in my programs.